This is a side casing of a Kawasaki motorbike. I know it's Kawasaki because it's got a rotor on there. The bit I'm concerned with is this bit here, which is the water pump. It's obviously a water cooled two-stroke, or water cooled, whatever it is. If we take this apart, take the impeller off. We've got a nice little oil seal in there, and the problem that we've got with it is the seal's been leaking water and the shaft is badly pitted. It's no longer a good fit on the bearings. What I've got to do is repair that. My first thoughts were to make a new shaft, but that gear's been shrunk on, I don't want to take it off. Then I could probably weld it, but if I weld it, it'll probably pull and bend. So I think what I'll do is I'll make a sleeve and machine this down. I need to measure that, see what size it is. It looks like 8mm, it'll probably be a standard size. Right, it is indeed 8mm. Now I've got some silver steel 8mm that should be a good fit in that bearing. Which it is, that's the right stuff for the job. So I think what I'll do is I'll machine a little short piece of this, drill it and ream it 6mm. Then I can machine this down to 6mm, which it already is, that part there. And either shrink it on depending on how good a fit I get, or glue it on with Loctite, and that's going to be a decent repair. So the first thing to do is make the repair sleeve out of this bit of 6mm silver steel. In fact, it's 8mm silver steel. I've been given 2 or 3 boxes of these tips. I haven't got the correct tip holder, but it's actually gone into there and pulled up tight. I'm hoping they'll work. I don't know what sort of tips they are. The Chinese tips, they look alright. If they work, they work. Here to work. Better. So this one's drilling and reaming 6mm. I'm using the spot drill instead of a centre drill. I'll go through the 4mm drill first. I think what I'll do is I'll cut this to length before I ream it. I didn't realise I had as much material as that. I don't need anywhere near that amount. I need 1mm off that. Just touch it off. It's 1/2mm. I've got a 5.8mm drill here, which should be just nice for the 6mm reamer. Reamers run nice and slow, and you need plenty of cutting lubricant on them, and you never turn them backwards. Turn them backwards blunts them. Right, that's it through, so that now it's basically got a 6mm parallel hole through it. This one's turning out to be a fanny's hair over 6mm, so it's a nice fit. Running nice and true. Dad's got a little centre hole in there, but we'll not need it. I don't know how hard the shaft will be. It's not. No, it might be. Yeah, it's been hardened. Soft there. It's certainly hard. Certainly hard on that bit. Probably just surface hardness and find out. I'm going to watch for temperature on this. Six and a half now. I've got something that'll punch it on. I think if I warm it up it should just drop on. Hopefully it should be a decent fit on there, which I'll find out. Oh, the truth is very near now. You made it too tight, John. That, there's no doubt, bunny lad. Yep, you made a balls of that, son. Not much left holding it on now. Right, what we'll do is take a little bit more of this and I'll make a new sleeve for it. That's that thing. Right, we'll speed things up a little bit here. 6.15 now. Right, just a funny driver 6. That's definitely going to go on there, that one. I think it's going to be a Loctite job now. I've got some Loctite 603 here, which will be ideal for the job. Make sure it's clean first. A bit of solvent just to make sure. Right. I think I'm happy with that. Not going to go anywhere. I'll just run it back up in the lathe and take a little burr off there, but it should be a nice repair. It's a pity the shrink fit didn't work, but that'll not give any problems at all. Right, the moment of truth, I suppose. That goes in that way. Like that. Now it has another bearing, sits on there. That's a nice fit in there. Once again, it's just time to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It is free. It does make a big difference. Anyway, thanks for watching.